Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we bring you the most exciting innovations in vehicles, machines, and technology from around the world. If you're passionate about the future of transport, construction, and engineering marvels, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our deep dives into the latest machines shaping tomorrow. Today, we're exploring a remarkable piece of machinery that has been specifically engineered for precision, power, and adaptability on railroads, the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026. This isn't just another construction machine. It's a specialized solution built to handle the complex and demanding work of railway construction and maintenance. Liebherr has always been a brand known for reliability, innovation, and durability, and with the RE 25M Litronic, they've taken things to a whole new level in 2026. At first glance, the RE 25M Litronic is a compact yet robust railroad excavator. Unlike traditional machines that are designed only for land operations, this machine has dual capability. It can work both on standard terrain and directly on railway tracks. This versatility is crucial in railway maintenance, where machinery needs to transition seamlessly between off-track and on-track operations. In 2026, Liebherr has refined this concept even further, making transitions smoother, safer, and more efficient than ever before. One of the standout features of the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic is its advanced Litronic control system. This intelligent system enhances the operator's ability to control the machine with incredible precision. Every movement, whether it's lifting, rotating, or adjusting attachments, is managed with accuracy and stability. In railway work, where millimeters can make the difference between success and error, this kind of control is invaluable. The 2026 model also integrates smarter sensors, allowing real-time feedback on stability, weight distribution, and operational safety. Power is another area where the RE 25M Litronic shines. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive lifting and digging capabilities. Railway maintenance often involves heavy lifting tasks: rails, sleepers, ballast, and more, and this machine is designed to handle all of it with ease. The 2026 version comes with a more fuel-efficient engine that doesn't compromise on strength. In fact, Liebherr has improved the balance between performance and sustainability, ensuring reduced emissions and better compliance with global environmental standards. What makes this machine even more future-ready is its adaptability. The RE 25M Litronic can be fitted with a wide variety of attachments, making it a multifunctional tool for different tasks. Whether it's lifting and placing rails, clearing debris, digging foundations, or precise handling of components, this machine can do it all. The hydraulic system has been optimized for faster attachment changes, saving valuable time during critical railway operations. Safety, of course, is always at the forefront when it comes to railway machinery. Liebherr has built advanced safety features into the 2026 RE 25M Litronic. The machine includes automatic rail guidance systems, stability monitoring, and enhanced braking for on-track movement. Operators are supported with improved visibility from the cab, 360-degree camera systems, and warning alerts that help prevent accidents. When working on busy rail networks where both efficiency and safety are non-negotiable, these features make all the difference. Comfort for operators hasn't been ignored either. The 2026 model offers a spacious, ergonomically designed cab with climate control, noise reduction technology, and advanced display systems. The cab's layout ensures that operators have easy access to all controls, reducing fatigue during long shifts. With the integration of digital displays, operators receive real-time machine data, including load monitoring and system diagnostics, right at their fingertips. One of the biggest improvements in the 2026 edition is connectivity. The RE 25M Litronic is now fully compatible with telematics systems, meaning fleet managers can track machine performance, fuel consumption, operating hours, and even predictive maintenance needs remotely. This makes the machine not only efficient in operation but also smarter in terms of lifecycle management. It's an upgrade that brings railway construction into the era of digitalization. Looking at the broader picture, The Liebherr RE 25M Litronic 2026 isn't just about raw power, it's about combining efficiency, safety, and sustainability in one package. In an industry where delays cost millions and safety can't be compromised, having a machine that adapts, performs, and protects is a true game-changer. So, when we think about the future of railroads, it's not just about faster trains or greener energy. It's also about the machines that keep the tracks in perfect condition, ensuring that passengers and freight move safely and on time. The Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 is one of those machines that will quietly but powerfully shape the way our rail systems operate in the coming years. That's all for today's deep dive into the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026. If you enjoyed learning about this cutting-edge machine and want more insights into futuristic vehicles and engineering marvels, make sure you're subscribed to Daily Drives. Drop a like if you found this video informative, and tell us in the comments what other machines or vehicles would you like us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the road, the rails, and the future with Daily Drives.